Hey y'all, welcome to Miss Khan's math class. Today I'm going to show you how to do the dividing decimals. Let's start with some examples. The first one is 4.2 divided by 0.2, 0.2. Our 0.2 is our divisor and 4.2 is our dividend. How do we know? The first question your student can ask you that how do you know that 0.2 is our divisor? Anyway, the second number is always the divisor and the first number is the dividend. And the first number is the inside house member and 0.2 is outside house member. So that's how your student can remember this. Now, to do the division, first we have to change the setting. First, we have to move the decimal point 1 unit right and make the divisor a whole number and do the same thing inside the house. Whatever you're doing outside the house, you're doing the same thing inside the house. If you move 1 unit right outside the house, you'll do the same thing inside the house. So now rewrite the settings. So this is the whole 2 and this is 42. Our decimal point is here. And the next step is put the decimal on the roof. Now you're going to divide 42 divided by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Drop 2 here. 2 times 1 is 2. And 21 is our answer. Now, your student can ask you that why we're going to make this decimal point as a whole number, why we're making the divisor as a whole number. So my answer is just to make our life easy. So I don't know the table for 2/10 and I don't know the table of 3/10, but I know the table of 2. I know the table of 3. So it is easier when we make our divisor a whole number, we can do the division. So our answer for this one is 21. Let's try the second one. The second number is always the divisor, that is 0.02, and our inside house number is 42. Now we have to make our divisor as a whole number, so we have to move the decimal 1 unit, 2 unit right, and our decimal point is here, so we have to do the same thing inside the house. So that is 1, 2, and the decimal point is here, and we have to fill up this gap with 0, and we have to put the decimal point to the top. Now rewrite the whole settings. So this is a 2 and inside number is 4200, the decimal point here. Put the decimal point on the top. 2 times 2 is 4. Drop 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And now you're going to drop 0 here. 0 can be divided by 2, so it's 0 is here. Drop another 0 here. You can do the same thing, so 0 will be here. And the answer is 2100. Now, let's try the last one. It looks a little different because our divisor is already a whole number. So we can see that our divisor is already a whole number. So this is our, I'm sorry. Let me just fix this one first. And sorry. So this is our whole number. and our dividend is 0.42. Now, it's already a whole number, so we don't need to move our decimal point to the right. So we don't need to do anything here as well. So what was our first step? So we have to put the decimal point on the top because we are not moving the decimal point anywhere. Now, 0, you cannot divide 2 with 0, so 0 will be here. 2 times 2 is 4. Drop 2 here. 2 times 1 is 2. And our answer is 0.21.